Hello guys, I am your host Somi and you are watching Tech and Tricks. As you all know, being a jobber in Pakistan is too much difficult, especially for girls. In this situation, how is that possible for girls to implement their knowledge? The online platform is the best option for girls to implement their knowledge, as well as it can be an earning source for them too. With this vibe, I am here to create a YouTube channel named Tech and Tricks. In this channel, I will provide you with different software reviews, tutorials, and lots of amazing tricks. But it is impossible without your support. Please subscribe to my channel, Tech and Tricks, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video with lots of amazing tricks. Take care and God bless you.